Chris ipagtapat sa muntikan ang mag-improve na si Chris.
You know what happened in the probation thing? I was like, Chris is there again. Because I don't want you to go and stuff, you know what I mean? That's why kanina I was like, uy. Sabi ko, uy, jamming tayo ganyan. And then whenever you leave, I'd be like, sige, leave na lang.
Hindi, sorry. Talagang gusto ko gumawa ng coffee. Sorry. Oh my God, talaga.
Tapos sobrang kinilig ako na sinabi mo. Alam mo, I know na, you're really a good boyfriend material. And then you said it here. Alam mo, if you were of age lang talaga, ay nakuha na. Jesus Christ in heaven!
Talaga?
So I figured I'd tell you because I've been like,
Kailan kaya? Hindi ko alam.
kita mo naman, when I'm pissed, you know I'm pissed. When I'm happy, you know I'm super happy and all that stuff. So yeah, I just thought I might tell you because, you know, I'm in light TV. And I don't know how to go about it.
Just go away, you know, like you usually do, and just get your coffee.
Oh my God. Sorry.
Matapos makausap si Iñaki, sinabi ni Chris kay Lizelle ang ipinagtapat nito.
Kaya pa, baka na pa nahihila. Gusto daw niya ako solo, etc. Ganun. Ayoko ng ganito. Naantong ulo.
Hindi naman siya, hindi naman siya...
Sabi ko, wala pa rin magbabago. Sige muna na.
Nailang ka?
Ilang sa medyo kasi parang nasanay na ako.
Huwag lang yung iwas, baka naman.
Hindi, ganun pa rin.
Kawawa naman. At least, aging honest siya, diba?
Yun nga, kasi sobrang hindi daw niya kaya. Hindi masabi. Si Bella lang may alam eh. Iba yung, alam mo ginawa niya sa akin kahapon. May isang araw niya ako todo. So, hindi na daw niya matiis kasi yun. Hindi papakita niya na, hindi yung pagpapakita niya.
Buti kung ganyan si ano.
Dala mo si gusto may gusto.
Sino?
Oo. Buti na lang.
Kung inaalala ni Chris ang feeling niya, compose pa ng kanta para sa kanya.
I never ever thought I'd feel this way. I never thought it would matter. But now I've seen who you really are. And guess what? I'm falling for you. I find it hard to say just how I feel, but I'm so sure that what I feel is for real. It's just too bad. I wish I had the right key to your heart.
Nice.
If you'd give me a try, then maybe you'd see that I'm your type of guy. Funny, sweet, good looking and talented, all the girls ever wanted.
Nagbablog? Ay, nakalo ka? Sige ko sa'yo?
Langya ka?